Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our review on the movie named Gulabo Sitabo.
Yes, so this movie got released yesterday, I think.
Yes, yesterday
Okay,
it got
so,
released at
yeah,
12 am.
12
You
am.
can say today itself.
Yes, so this is the first movie which
Yes.
was released in any streaming platform at
Yes.
this lockdown period. So this is a very good decision, and before starting off, we just want to say that on any streaming platform, this kind of movie got released at this lockdown. It is a very good
Initiative, you can say, yeah.
Yes, just
Yeah, actually, people are not able to go to theaters right
because
now.
of that thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
governments are also not allowing to gather people inside theaters. And
Yeah.
yes,
So that is a
I
very
think,
good decision, and
also.
sitting in your home only you can enjoy film and
Right.
just talk about more about Gulabo Sitabo. Then we will be like starting off the complete review of the movie. So we saw the complete movie just yesterday only,
Yesterday
12
night
o'clock,
only.
yesterday night only. So we thought, okay, we have to see this movie and give our reaction as soon as possible. So
Yes.
that is why. So the name Gulabo Sitabo signifies to puppet actually. So the whole film was shooted in Lucknow,
yes.
and in the Lucknow roadside one person was playing with the puppet show,
Yeah.
right? And in the puppet only that two dolls were there. One's name is Gulabo and another's name is
Right.
Sitabo, and that person is like saying some story like Gulabo tu has rahi hai, Sitabo tu
Yeah.
ro rahi hai, and kind of
And
like
in
it was a
background also
puppet
there
show.
was some music also.
So
So
this kind of puppet show is very popular in Rajasthan, you can say in Gujarat,
Yes.
and in Lucknow as well as. So this is a Indian culture, and I really like
it
that
comes from tradition itself.
tradition.
Yes.
So I really like the whole picturization of it, that with that thing only the movie got started.
Yeah,
And after
right.
that slowly got to know there is a person called Mirza who is like
So
Amitabh Bachchan
is playing the
Yes.
role of Mirza.
Mirza Sheikh.
He is around old age people are like around
78
years old.
That was also mentioned in the
Yes.
movie that he's 78 years old. So Mirza's character was showing like he's very much miser, like
Yes.
kanjoos, okay, and he
So
has
he is totally means whatever the look he has given, he is totally into that look, and it's perfectly suited on him.
So it was showing that he was wearing some dirty long kurta with some dhila dhala patloon, okay, and he is bent because of his age. His whole beard and everything was like completely white, and he has done
Yes.
something in his nose because his
Right,
nose
his
was
nose
looking
was a little bit
different,
popped up, I think.
and he is wearing a very
All round
broken
type
kind
of
of spake glasses. So he is a very old personality it was showing.
Yes.
And as well as he's very miser. He doesn't want his tenant to be in his house because they are paying very less.
They are paying very less.
Very
and
less,
also,
30 rupees.
And also they are staying since long
Since
days.
long
And
days.
also Mirza, he is not the owner of that house.
Yeah, he's not the owner, by the way, because he has his 17 years older wife. She is the
Begum.
Begum, and she is the owner of the mansion.
Yes. And she got from her ancestors.
Ancestors. So in the meantime, what will be happened is this Ayushmann Khurrana is
Ayushmann
the tenant.
Khurrana is the tenant, and
Is the
he
tenant.
plays the role of Banke in
Banke.
this movie.
Yes, and he has a small gehu shop, and he is very poor. They all are very poor. Whoever
Yes.
is living in this
Ayushmann
house.
Khurana is having 3 sisters and mother.
Yes.
Yes.
So their family was looking very poor.
And in one room itself,
one room
everybody
itself.
was living.
Yes. So it is a big mansion. Its name is Fatima Mahal, which Amitabh Bachchan was the owner. He was looking like a owner, but he was not the actual owner in paperwork.
Yes, right.
So that is why he wanted to get it done that ownership he should get,
Yes.
because his
And
wife
also,
is
I
very
think
older,
he is
and
waiting for his wife's death.
to die.
Yes.
So this is the whole complete the base of the story, you can say. And also Ayushmann Khurrana's role.
Yes, he was looking too much
very
lean, kind, and
yeah.
too much not
Poor.
decent, you can say, but a little bit type of how the people
Aggressive
are
also.
aggressive type of,
Kind of
or
like,
something the normal type of, you can say, with the people who are there in UP
Yes,
or
yes,
Bihar,
yes.
like that.
He has that
his
UP
getup
touch
is that.
in the accent,
accent
and
as
I
well.
think he was like having some tongue problem, kind of like I
Yes.
could understand the way he was speaking. So he was very poor, and he is very angry because of his this poverty and all. So anyhow, he was wanting that mansion should be in his name,
Yeah.
right? And
he was also thinking, that's why
Ah.
he was in one of the scene he was saying Amitabh
मुझे
Bachchan or
कर लो,
Mirza
adopt कर लो.
telling that मुझे adopt
मुझे अडॉप्ट कर लो एंड मैं तुम्हारा बेटा बन के रहूंगा काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट सो अमिताभ बच्चन वाज वेरी एंग्री बिकॉज दिस होल मूवी इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट मैंशन हु विल बी एक्वायरिंग दैट मैंशन ओके एंड in this whole scene like Amitabh Bachchan was also trying to get some lawyer to get it done the ownership for himself
in the
and also meantime
a
Ayushmann
guy,
Khurrana also
archaeologist
will come
and he
will
was
also
like
come.
thinking in the different way that how this such a old building is still standing
and it will be a government property soon so it is a kind of like a comedy some little bit touch of humor also is there and a lot of sarcastic situations will be there lots of comedy you will be like laughing like anything in the scene so at the end you have to see whether like the mansion will be Amitabh Bachchan's or Ayushmann Khurrana's or it will be like totally under government property so we will be not saying each and everything though as it just got released so we'll be like not saying revealing that much so this is the whole concept of the movie
and one thing is that it's revolving around this and that mansion only so every story was around that only so I think this is not that much unique concept we like but whatever we like mostly Amitabh Bachchan sir's acting superb Ayushmann Khurrana's acting he's also totally like he's acting skill is too much good like
no what I was understanding like Ayushmann Khurrana's acting was not that unique because this kind of role we have already seen in Dream
we
Girl
have seen but his acting is like that he's not doing something different he's like
he was not doing,
a guy who is belonging from that state particularly and he's behaving normal kind of so I like that acting
no actually what I was thinking is Ayushmann Khurrana did not put that much effort what I understood because the way he was acting in Dream Girl or any other movies which we saw
different.
the way he was talking here also the way was same
but
Nothing
in this case his character was like that only that's why he was speaking in this sense
in this,
but whatever we have seen in the last movie we watched right he was totally different guy in that movie so I think based
he's
upon
a very versatile actor that is
and
true
based upon this character it suits on him
exactly Abhay likes him a lot but I didn't like him because somehow I felt that he didn't put that much energy
I like it
that is my point of view
I think he does everything with his full energy
energy but here it was a little less this is my perspective okay and Amitabh Bachchan's role was like superb the way he was bending and the way he was like telling like juta टूट गया कितना लगेगा he was like talking in a very slow way because of the age and everything 78 years of old but still he wants the ownership of the mansion that I have to get the mansion because this is my mansion this is my mahal the Fatima Mahal why I will leave it to my wife or anybody so the way he was acting it was very emotional at the same time you can feel the touch the attachment of the property which he is only having he is also poor guy he is only having that mansion only
right and also he doesn't have the money also
he doesn't have the money
every penny also he has to ask his wife as well and also sometimes we have seen in this movie that he is stealing some bulbs
just to get the money
bale of cycle
in the very first scene we saw that thing
and he is selling to the other shops to get some money
just 20 rupees man just 20-30 rupees he is just getting
it's not
by
about
that
money also I think he is just stealing to irritate his
tenants maybe
I think
so that they can go out
leave.
right leave the
but they are also
mansion.
staying in that mansion since 70 years
yes true
right.
so that is why they are telling that we are staying in this mansion for so long we can't leave now
they are also now thinking that they are the owner of this house
yes
and also about the mansion we can say more that it is looking too much old kind of mansion
it is very old and the walls are breaking all of the
and that scene where Ayushmann Khurrana hits that mansion's toilet's wall with his leg and it got broken
after that only the main fight will come and
why you have broken that wall
Amitabh Bachchan will tell to Ayushmann Khurrana
and he was not ready to build that wall
because why I should because everyone is poor you can understand that nobody can give a single penny to
And
repair anything.
taking
So
that point only, that archaeologist who is Vijay Raj, I think,
yes,
is the government officer.
officer.
He was also a very good actor, and
Everyone actually,
yes,
everyone
you
is a
can
very
say.
good actor
And
in this
he
movie.
taking that point only, he thought let's get acquire this building as well.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
he told that this is the main reason that today this toilet got broken. Sometime
Some
other parts
rooms and other
some
parts
room
of the
or
your
a
ceiling
roof
can broke.
ceiling can broken.
So this
So
is the
this was he
thing.
was taking the advantage of those
Advantage
things
of those
also.
things. Yes, so this is the whole concept of the movie, to finish it off, like to see what will be happened, in the last. You have to see the whole movie.
Yes. So let's talk more about the cinematography
Yes.
and music in this movie
Yeah.
itself.
So I think this is a budgeted movie, because all of the shooting was happened in Lucknow Shahar
and,
only.
everything consists
And,
within one
within
building.
one
itself.
building only, that mansion Fatima Mahal.
Yeah.
And the building was also very old and very great. It was like a mahal, right? Because the jharbatti and everything was
Everything
like
was
there.
I think
The
they have
big
just
photos
painted like that
painted
to look
like
like,
that to
too
look
much
like that,
old.
or I think it is a real building. I'm not
It can
sure.
be. It can
The
be.
cinematography was very good,
Very
actually.
good.
The camera quality was like
Yes.
superb. Amitabh Bachchan sir's makeup was like incredible.
Yes.
You cannot recognize that this is Amitabh Bachchan sir.
Right.
He
His
is
face was
wearing a very
totally-
heavy
totally-
powered glasses.
Glasses,
That was
yeah.
very suitable with his
His
face
getup.
and his getup.
And his
uh,
long beard was also looking
yes,
great.
that was very looking great. And the music at the point, if you are saying about the music,
We
didn't see that
any
much songs.
Yes,
One song
right.
is there, that was Budo
I
something
think
like that.
those was inside that background music. You
Background
can say
music
mostly,
and
yeah.
kind of like halka songs were there, but सॉन्ग के हिसाब से अगर हम देखें तो सॉन्ग उतना नहीं था.
right.
म्यूजिक भी was not like
Yes.
that. So music perspective, it was not that good.
Because the cinematography and the execution of this movie is in that way, so
Yeah.
music it need to be little bit soft kind of a
Soft
music,
kind of
not
that
that
is
much
there.
hard.
That is there. So yes, the cinematography good, the execution of whole of the scenes were very synced,
Yeah.
well synced with each other, right? And everybody acted so well.
Yes,
That
that's
is very true. Okay, everybody, Amitabh Bachchan, Ayushmann Khurrana, Vijay Raj, Vijendra Kala, everyone
Everyone.
acted so well. And also we have seen some new faces, the sisters.
Sister,
They are,
those I think new faces.
new faces.
Yes.
They also acted so well.
And also
Okay.
the Begum.
Begum, we know her. She is very
Okay.
old.
Okay, maybe she
we
is
have
old,
seen
that's
in
why I didn't
advertisement.
recognize
Some
her.
advertisement,
Okay.
she was like there. So yes, overall
yes.
it was a good concept.
Yes, a lot of comedy and drama is there.
Yes, so it is a comedy drama movie.
Yes.
Right.
Stories.
I will give 8 out of 10.
I'll give 9 out of 10.
Abhay will give
just
9 out of
because
10.
Amitabh Bachchan sir and Ayushmann
Yeah.
Khurrana, they acted so
Superb
well.
acting by Amitabh Bachchan sir and Ayushmann Khurrana. You can definitely go and check, and also it is a
A
get
lot of
great
humor
advantage.
is there. Lot of humor is there, and
Correct.
lot of the little bit not that much slang, but a little bit the word how they express it. Those
That
things
is
genuine.
Super. We cannot tell it on camera, but you can understand
Yes.
if you see the movie. So you can definitely go and watch. And family के साथ भी
Yes,
बैठ सकते हैं ना,
right.
family भी देख सकते हैं. Okay, so family also can see and watch together. Definitely, just go and check this out.
Yeah.
Okay, and let us also know your point of view, your review. How do you feel about
Yes.
this movie and all? So yes, overall it is a very good concept, and that was it for today's video. I really hope that this video will be helpful, those who ever have not watched this video yet.
That's true.
So yes, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.